You see anything yet? Okay. So was that fun? Wait, no, don't come down. Don't come down. Okay, it's off. Want to touch it?
Okay. Can I touch it? It's not sharp. The blades are.
Hmm? Yeah, they're sharp.
We can touch
Feel the
this.
battery. The battery's hot. Feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Lucy, you can feel it.
Strong.
See this right here? That just pulls out like that to turn them off.
Can I touch this part?
Yeah, that's the camera. So we have to clean it. Keep it clean so we can see where we're going.
This is to drive it.
Yeah, that's to drive it. Okay. Say hi to the camera. It's recording your face right now. It's recording your face. What's your name?
Alice.
Alice who?
Alice Anderson Elizabeth.
Yeah. How old are you?
6.
6? And what's your name?
Lucy.
Lucy?
Mm-hmm.
And how old are you?
5. 3.
No, you're not 5. 3? How many's 3?
1,
2.
2,
And
3.
3, yeah. Very good. Oh, that's 5. There you go. Close those 2 up. 3? Are you really 3? You're awful big. Wow. You're a big girl.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Can you show me your bicycle?
I'll drive it.
You go ride it. I'm gonna take a video of you riding it. Okay? Go.
Where does it record?
There's a little memory card inside there.
Where does it go to?
Your bicycle is right there. Silly?
Does it go to my phone? To your phone?
No, I'll put it on the computer.
Oh. How?
Show me. Yeah, show me how. Wow, look at those flowers on there. Yeah.
Those are stickers.
They're stickers? Okay.
No, they're not.
I think they are.
No, they're not.
Don't peel at it.
Oh, yeah, they are stickers.
Yeah, they probably just painted clear over the top so they wouldn't peel off.
Yeah.
Okay, go ride. And I'll watch you.
You're doing really well. So that you can keep it.
Yeah.
And remember.
Did you stop?
Ring the bell! Ring the bell!
Ring the bell so we know you're coming. Hi, Lucy.
Hi.
You sure are a good rider. Wowza. Look at that. Look at that girl go. Man. How long have you been riding? Like for years?
Yeah.
Years and years? Wow.
No.
I know she's been riding less than 3 years because she's only 3 years old.
Well.
Right? Awesomeness. Give me the thumbs up. Awesome.
Watch me on my back.
Do you have straining wheels too?
No.
No? Show me. No straining wheels. Wow, look at that.
I can do it either.
Yeah,
Did you see me stand up on my bike?
I saw you. Do it again. You're standing? Oh boy. I only crashed twice. Trying to float around in the backyard. Is that mine?
Mm-hmm.
It fall out of my pocket or what? Okay. Now I'm gonna have a bald spot.
No, I didn't go all the way down.
What'd
It's
you
very sharp.
What'd you sharpen it with?
The whetstone?
The whetstone.
I have a whetstone now.
I do too, but it doesn't get that sharp.
Grandpa.
Maybe I just don't know how to
You
do
need
it
a
right.
strop.
A what?
A strop, a piece of leather.
Strop?
With rubbing compound. It's S-T-R-O-P.
Oh, okay. Not a strap.
Nope. I thought it was strap too, but it's S-T-R-O-P.
So it's like a razor strap. It's
a
leather.
razor strap. It's
Yeah,
razor strap.
but
I like
hey, they make good belts. Believe me, I know.
it.
He's taking a video.
Don't put your finger on it. Get it dirty. Then you'll have fingerprints on your face. Like that one.
It's got rubbing compound.
Let's turn it off so that we don't
Oh.
waste the battery, okay?
And that blade is so
It's already
shiny.
off?
And here, pull it out. I'll
Here,
open it for you.
just a second. Say. Stop recording. Say it loud.
GoPro, stop recording!
Say it a little quieter.
GoPro, stop recording.